Clay pots are one of the healthiest cookware options available in the market today. Take the earthen pot and immerse it in water for a couple of hours, preferably overnight. Scrub off the mud inside the clay pot using a scrubber. Do not use soap or any dishwashing liquid. Let it dry completely in sunlight. Apply oil on both the inside and the outside of the clay pot. And fill it 3/4 with water. Bring this water to a boil and further simmer for 30 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat and allow the water to cool inside the pot. Discard the water and wash it once again with a scrub and dry it in sunlight. Heat the pot, add oil and saute some onions. Discard them and start using the pan to cook.